Have you ever thought dry, barren soil was useless for growing food? Surprisingly, some edible plants thrive in extreme heat, poor soil, and long droughts while continuing to produce harvest with almost no maintenance. In this video, we'll explore 7 incredible drought-tolerant plants that can provide fruits, leaves, roots, or seeds with very little water. Some have fed people in desert regions for centuries, while others are common plants that most gardeners overlook. Even more surprising, several of these plants actually perform better with less care. If you're tired of crops that struggle during every heat wave, these tough survivors may completely change the way you garden. 1. Purslane. Most gardeners see purslane as nothing more than a stubborn weed. They pull it out, toss it aside, and never realize they're removing one of the toughest and most nutritious edible plants in the garden. What many people consider a nuisance is actually a highly productive food source that thrives where countless other crops fail. Purslane is naturally adapted to harsh conditions. Its thick, succulent leaves store moisture, allowing the plant to survive long periods without rain. While lettuce, spinach, and other leafy greens often struggle during hot weather, purslane remains green, vigorous, and productive even under intense summer heat. Its ability to tolerate drought comes from the way it manages water. Instead of losing moisture quickly, purslane conserves it efficiently, allowing continued growth when rainfall is scarce and temperatures soar. This remarkable adaptation makes it one of the most dependable edible plants for dry climates. Despite its rugged nature, purslane is surprisingly enjoyable to eat. The stems and leaves are crisp, juicy, and slightly tangy, with a fresh flavor that works well in salads, sandwiches, soups, stir-fries, and smoothies. In many cultures, it has been cultivated intentionally for generations rather than treated as a weed. Its nutritional profile is equally impressive. Purslane contains omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, vitamin C, magnesium, potassium, and numerous beneficial plant compounds. Few leafy greens offer such a combination of nutrition and resilience. Another reason purslane survives so well is its ability to reproduce effortlessly. Tiny seeds scattered across the soil can quickly produce new plants, and even small pieces left behind often continue growing. Once established, purslane frequently returns season after season without any assistance. While many vegetables require constant watering and attention, purslane seems to thrive on neglect. Dry soil, blazing sun, and difficult growing conditions rarely slow it down. In fact, the plant often performs better when left largely alone. Today, more gardeners are beginning to appreciate purslane for what it truly is: a nutritious, drought-resistant crop that turns challenging conditions into productive harvests. Sometimes the plants we overlook are the ones best equipped to survive. 2. Prickly pear cactus. Few plants symbolize drought survival better than the prickly pear cactus. Built for some of the harshest environments on Earth, this remarkable plant can withstand months without rainfall, while continuing to provide food, beauty, and resilience. At first glance, prickly pear appears intimidating. Its thick pads are covered in spines, and its desert appearance suggests a plant designed purely for survival. Yet hidden beneath that rugged exterior is one of the most useful edible plants found in arid regions around the world. The secret to its success lies in its ability to store water. Each fleshy pad acts like a natural reservoir, collecting and holding moisture that allows the plant to survive through prolonged dry periods. While many crops quickly wilt under extreme heat, prickly pear continues growing with little sign of stress. Its root system is equally impressive. Rather than growing deep, the roots spread widely near the surface, allowing the plant to capture even small amounts of rainfall, morning dew, or brief moisture events. This strategy helps it make the most of every drop of water available. For centuries, communities living in dry climates have relied on prickly pear as a dependable source of food. The young pads, known as nopales, are harvested and cooked as a vegetable. Once cleaned and prepared, they have a mild flavor often compared to green beans or asparagus and can be grilled, sautéed, or added to a variety of dishes. The colorful fruits are just as valuable. Ranging from red and purple to bright orange, they offer a sweet flavor along with vitamins, antioxidants, and other nutrients. They can be eaten fresh or processed into juices, syrups, jellies, candies, and preserves. One of the most remarkable qualities of prickly pear is how little care it requires. Once established in a sunny location, it largely takes care of itself. In fact, excessive watering is often far more harmful than drought. Poor soil rarely causes problems. Extreme temperatures are usually tolerated with ease. And unlike many garden crops that demand constant attention, prickly pear quietly thrives in the background, producing food where little else can survive. For gardeners interested in low-maintenance food production, prickly pear demonstrates that productivity doesn't always require fertile soil or frequent watering. Sometimes the toughest plants are also the most rewarding. 3. Jerusalem artichoke. Jerusalem artichokes, commonly known as sunchokes, are among the most dependable food crops for dry and challenging environments. Despite the name, they aren't true artichokes at all. They belong to the sunflower family and produce nutritious underground tubers that can provide reliable harvests year after year. One of their greatest strengths is their ability to thrive with minimal care. Once a patch becomes established, it often continues growing and producing almost entirely on its own. Their extensive root systems allow them to access moisture deep below the soil surface, helping them withstand dry conditions far better than many traditional root crops. While other vegetables may struggle during long periods without rain, sunchokes continue growing with remarkable resilience. Productivity is another reason they're so highly valued. A small planting can quickly expand into a generous patch capable of producing large quantities of edible tubers. Many gardeners joke that planting Jerusalem artichokes is easy, but removing them is nearly impossible. The tubers themselves have a mildly sweet, earthy flavor with nutty undertones. They can be roasted, sautéed, mashed, added to soups, or used in countless other dishes. Their combination of flavor, nutrition, and reliability makes them a favorite among self-sufficient gardeners. Cold weather is rarely a concern. Even after severe winters, the tubers remain protected underground and send up vigorous new growth once spring arrives. Their ability to handle both drought and freezing temperatures makes them one of the toughest edible plants available. They're also highly adaptable to different soil types. Whether growing in sandy soil, heavy clay, or neglected ground, Jerusalem artichokes often continue producing impressive harvests with little intervention. For this reason, many survival gardeners refer to them as a plant once harvest for years crop. And in many situations, that description is surprisingly accurate. Few edible plants offer such a combination of durability, productivity, and independence. 4. Rosemary. Rosemary is often thought of simply as a culinary herb, but this fragrant Mediterranean plant is also one of the most resilient perennial crops a gardener can grow. In its native environment, rosemary survives intense sunlight, rocky landscapes, and prolonged dry periods with very little rainfall. Its drought tolerance comes from a set of natural adaptations. The narrow, needle-like leaves are designed to minimize water loss, helping the plant conserve moisture even during extreme heat. Combined with strong woody stems and deep roots, these features allow rosemary to flourish in conditions that would challenge many other herbs. Beyond its toughness, rosemary is incredibly useful. Its aromatic leaves are prized for flavoring meats, vegetables, breads, soups, infused oils, and herbal teas. A mature plant can supply a steady harvest of fresh rosemary for many years, particularly in regions with mild winters. Interestingly, rosemary often suffers more from excessive care than from neglect. Too much water can damage the roots and encourage rot. Many gardeners unintentionally weaken rosemary by treating it like moisture-loving vegetables instead of the dry climate shrub it naturally is. When planted in a sunny location with good drainage, rosemary becomes remarkably self-sufficient. Mature plants often survive on rainfall alone and tolerate drought conditions far better than most common garden herbs. Its value extends beyond the kitchen. During flowering, rosemary produces small blue or purple blooms that attract bees and other pollinators. Because of its dense growth habit, it's also commonly used as a fragrant hedge or landscape plant. Perhaps most impressive is its longevity. Healthy rosemary plants can live for decades, and in some Mediterranean regions, ancient shrubs have survived for generations with almost no human assistance. For gardeners seeking a productive, low-maintenance perennial, rosemary offers an ideal combination of beauty, usefulness, and resilience. 5. Fig tree. Few fruit trees combine productivity and drought resistance as effectively as the fig. Cultivated for thousands of years, figs have earned a reputation as one of the most reliable food-producing trees in warm and dry climates. Native to Mediterranean and Middle Eastern regions, fig trees evolved to survive in environments where water is often limited. Their powerful root systems penetrate deep into the soil, allowing them to access hidden moisture long after surface layers have dried out. This adaptation helps mature fig trees tolerate prolonged heat and drought with remarkable ease. Even during difficult summers, established trees often continue producing fruit, while many surrounding plants struggle. The fruit itself is highly prized. Fresh figs are naturally sweet, soft, and rich in fiber, minerals, and antioxidants. They can be eaten straight from the tree, dried for long-term storage, or transformed into preserves, baked goods, and desserts. Throughout history, dried figs were considered an important survival food because they stored well and provided concentrated nutrition. Even today, they remain one of the most valued traditional fruits in many parts of the world. Another reason gardeners appreciate figs is their productivity. A mature tree can generate enormous harvests with relatively little maintenance. Some trees produce hundreds of fruits each year while requiring significantly less water than many other fruit crops. Interestingly, moderate dryness often improves fruit quality. Excessive irrigation can lead to watery, less flavorful figs, while slightly drier conditions frequently result in sweeter and more concentrated flavors. Fig trees also adapt surprisingly well to difficult growing conditions. Rocky soils, sandy ground, and areas with limited fertility rarely prevent them from thriving. As long as they receive adequate sunlight and drainage, they often perform exceptionally well. Their resilience doesn't end there. Even when severe weather damages branches, many fig trees respond by sending up vigorous new growth from the base. This ability to recover from adversity is one reason they have remained popular for centuries. In many ancient civilizations, fig trees symbolized prosperity, abundance, and endurance. And after seeing how productive and resilient they can be, it's easy to understand why. Few fruit trees offer so much while asking for so little in return. 6. Mulberry tree. Mulberry trees are one of the most underrated fruit-producing trees you can grow. Fast-growing, adaptable, and remarkably tough, they have a reputation for thriving where many other fruit trees struggle. Once established, a mulberry tree can continue producing generous harvests for decades while requiring very little maintenance. One of the secrets behind its success is its powerful root system. Mulberries develop deep and extensive roots that help them access moisture far below the soil surface. This allows mature trees to tolerate drought, heat, strong winds, and poor soil conditions much better than many traditional orchard fruits. When harvest season arrives, the productivity can be astonishing. A single healthy tree is often capable of producing more fruit than an average family can consume fresh. The berries resemble elongated blackberries and may be white, red, or deep purple depending on the variety. Their flavor is rich, sweet, and slightly tart, making them excellent for fresh eating. They can also be dried, baked into pies, transformed into jams, blended into smoothies, or used in a variety of homemade recipes. Of course, gardeners are not the only ones who appreciate them. Birds are often eager to enjoy the harvest as well. Another reason mulberries are so popular among self-sufficient growers is how little attention they need once mature. In many regions, natural rainfall is enough to keep established trees healthy and productive. Even during dry periods, they often continue growing and fruiting with minimal stress. Unlike some fruit trees that require years of patience before producing, certain mulberry varieties begin bearing fruit relatively quickly. This combination of rapid growth and early production makes them especially attractive for homesteads, food forests, and low-maintenance gardens. Historically, mulberries were valuable for more than just their fruit. Their leaves served as food for silkworms, their wood was used for practical purposes, and their dense shade made them valuable in hot climates. For centuries, entire communities benefited from these versatile trees. Another impressive characteristic is their ability to recover. Heavy pruning, storm damage, or difficult conditions rarely keep mulberries down for long. They often respond with vigorous new growth, demonstrating a resilience that few fruit trees can match. In a world where many crops require constant care, mulberry trees stand as a reminder that some of the most productive plants are also among the easiest to grow. 7. Moringa. Few plants have earned a nickname as bold as the miracle tree, but moringa comes remarkably close to living up to that title. Known for its incredible resilience and exceptional nutritional value, moringa is one of the most useful drought-tolerant food plants in the world. Native to the arid regions of Africa and Asia, moringa evolved to survive intense heat and extended dry seasons. Once established, it can continue growing and producing food in conditions that would severely stress many other crops. A major reason for its drought tolerance is its deep taproot, which allows the tree to draw moisture from far below the surface. Combined with its small, efficient leaves that reduce water loss, moringa is exceptionally well adapted to hot, dry environments. What truly sets moringa apart, however, is its versatility. Nearly every part of the tree can be used. The leaves are especially valued because they contain impressive amounts of protein, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and other beneficial nutrients. In many regions, they are eaten fresh, cooked like leafy greens, or dried and ground into a nutrient-rich powder. The tree also produces long, slender seed pods, often called drumsticks. These pods are widely used in traditional cooking and are a popular ingredient in soups, stews, and vegetable dishes. Even the seeds have practical uses and are sometimes utilized in water purification systems. Moringa is also famous for its rapid growth. In warm climates, young trees can gain several feet of height in a surprisingly short period of time. Despite this fast development, they remain highly tolerant of drought and poor growing conditions. Another advantage is how well moringa responds to pruning. Gardeners frequently cut the tree back to encourage fresh, leafy growth, and it often rebounds quickly with vigorous new shoots. This makes it easy to maintain at a manageable size while maximizing edible leaf production. Because of its productivity and resilience, moringa has become a favorite in permaculture systems and survival gardens. It provides food, shade, organic matter, and nutritional security, while demanding very little water once mature. Of course, young moringa trees still require some care while establishing their roots. But once settled, they become remarkably self-sufficient. In many ways, moringa perfectly illustrates an important lesson about gardening. Some of the most valuable food plants are not the ones that require constant attention, but the ones that have evolved to thrive under difficult conditions. These drought-resistant crops remind us that productivity and resilience often go hand in hand. While delicate plants may struggle during heat and drought, hardy species like moringa continue growing, producing, and providing food year after year with surprisingly little in return.